guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my own DIY hyaluronic acid serum, hyaluronic acid sheet mask, hyaluronic acid moisturizing gel. These are all 100% safe and easy to make if you follow the measurements correctly. So if you are interested in the DIYs, keep watching. And yes, I also make videos on ready-made serums as well. So please make sure you subscribe. Keep watching. Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Hyaluronic acid is a clear substance produced by our body to keep our body hydrated and lubricated. It is found in our connective tissue, skin, eyes, etc. When applied superficially, it helps to retain skin moisture. It is good for several skin issues such as wrinkles and fine lines, post-sun pigmentation, acne. Our body produces enough hyaluronic acid to keep things healthy and hydrated. But poor diet, UV rays, pollution and application of harsh chemicals all contribute to low levels of hyaluronic acid in the skin. Without proper hydration, our skin finds it difficult to remove dead skin cells, which might lead to acne and several other skin issues. Hyaluronic acid acts as a humectant, meaning it works like a sponge to help skin retain water and plump the skin. It is important for structural support of collagen and elastin in the skin. The acid's ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water is the main reason why it is a fantastic hydrator for individuals with dry, eczema-prone, irritated skin or post-chemical peel treated skin. Hyaluronic acid is generally very safe to use. However, some research has shown that overuse of hyaluronic acid can result in redness and inflammation. So, overuse is not recommended. The correct way of application is also very important. I will talk more about it in the end of this video. Things we require for this DIY are measuring spoons that measures 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon respectively. You can also take normal spoon we use in our kitchen. I will also show you how to use that for this DIY. Rose water or distilled water, hyaluronic acid powder, a dropper bottle or any glass bottle to store the serum, metal-free mixing bowl and a spoon. I will take 12.5 teaspoons of rose water in the bowl. I will add 1/4 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder. Stir it for some time. It won't dissolve completely now. We will have to keep it in the fridge overnight to dissolve it completely. Now I will cover it and keep it in the fridge overnight. Next morning, the rose water will completely dissolve the hyaluronic acid and it will form a gel. I will store this in the glass dropper bottle. If you are using any normal spoon, take 12.5 spoon of rose water in the mixing bowl. Then take a spoon of hyaluronic acid, divide it into half. Keep the half in a bowl. Again divide it into half. Keep one half in the bowl. Now what is left in the spoon is nearly 1/4 spoon. Now add this to the rose water and mix well. To make the hyaluronic acid moisturizing gel, we require a small metal-free bowl, vitamin E capsules and aloe vera gel. Here's 2 capsules and take out the vitamin E oil in the mixing bowl. Now take 3 spoons of the hyaluronic acid we made. To mix it well with the vitamin E oil. Now add 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. Need to mix the mixture really well. The result will be light moisturizing gel that easily absorbs into the skin. Make the DIY hyaluronic acid sheet mask. Can use compressed sheet mask easily available online, which are very affordable. I will link it in the description box below. You can make several other sheet masks with it. If you want a video on more DIY sheet mask, be sure to comment below. If you don't want to buy that, I will show you how you can make sheet mask with any facial wipe. Just wash it well with water. I will fold it 2 times and then cut the corners. Then I will open it again and then fold it just once. Then I will measure where my eyes will be. Cut 2 holes for the eyes. So you can use this instead of the compressed sheet mask. Now I will show you how to use these DIY products. On cleansed skin, I will spray some water. I will apply 2 drops of the serum to my face. Spread it while dabbing it lightly with my fingertips. You can keep spraying your face with water throughout the day because if humidity in the air is low, hyaluronic acid may draw moisture from the deep layers of the skin and make it dehydrated. Be sure to apply moisturizer after using the serum. To use the moisturizer, just dab 2 to 3 dots on your face and then evenly spread it all over your face and neck area. Make sure to use water spray throughout the day. To make the DIY sheet mask, take 50% of the serum and 50% water. Keep the compressed mask in it. It will absorb the serum within minutes. Now lightly press out the extra serum. Then apply the sheet mask on your face and wait for 10 minutes. All these 3 DIYs are not meant to be used at the same time. Use one of these DIYs at a time. Now you can remove the sheet mask. Dab the serum well and enjoy hydrated and soft skin. Instead of the compressed mask, you can use the mask we made with facial wipe. Just follow the same process. So guys, hope you liked my video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and comment below which is your favorite DIY out of these 3. May you stay happy, safe and keep glowing always. Bye bye.